Question number 69. Who was the father of our country? Number 70. Who was the first president? George Washington was the father of our country, and he was our first president. George Washington was born in 1732. George Washington was born where Virginia is now. In 1732, when George Washington was born, Virginia was not a state, and the United States was not a country when George Washington was born. From 1585 to 1783, Great Britain had colonies in North America. Great Britain is in Europe, and Great Britain from 1585 to 1783, Great Britain had colonies in the eastern part of North America. The people who lived in the British colonies were called colonists. When George Washington was 20 years old, he joined the army. He joined the British Army. At first, George Washington helped Great Britain fight against France. From 1754 to 1758, George Washington was in the British Army. By 1765, Great Britain made the colonists pay them a lot of money. Great Britain made laws that made the colonists very angry. In 1776, George Washington helped fight against the British. He helped write laws that made America a country. On April 30th, 1789, George Washington became the first president of the United States. Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States, is named after George Washington. George Washington is on the $1 bill. To review, George Washington helped the colonists fight against the British. He helped write the laws that made the United States of America a country. Because of these things, George Washington is called the father of our country and the first president.